In this video, I will demonstrate how you can make your own chip bag sleeve. So that way you don't have to purchase it from someone else. Crafting is already expensive, and anything that we can do to cut costs is definitely appreciated in the crafting world. So I am going to demonstrate how I make my chip bag sleeves for the party bags. So in order to do that, you'll need to start with a blank template, and it'll need to be 8 inches by 11.5 inches. So 8 inches in height, 11.5 inches in width. And that's basically the standard paper size for your printer, the letter size paper. So what we'll do is we'll first insert these spots for pictures, the backgrounds. So in order to do that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is top and bottom border. Then these are going to be the sides of the bag, and then of course the main bag. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I first do is I create the borders. To do that, I go to Elements, I select Frame, and then I choose the square. You don't want the rounded one, you want the one with the corner. So I choose this square, and then I start on the left side of the right side of the screen, and I pull it towards the left, and you'll see why I do that. So I'm going to make this 10.7 inches in width, and I'm going to stop there because I need this open space for my tab, and this is the tab that we use to glue the bag together once it's complete. So 10.7 inches in width, and then the height of the border, I make it about 0.8 inches. So it's not a complete, let me get that up there. So it's not a complete inch, but it's definitely what works for this bag. So once I have one up there, I just copy that by hitting Control C, and then I paste it by hitting Control V, and then I put that at the bottom of the bag, and it's showing me that it's even with the one at top. And then I'll just Control V again, and then we'll change this size to do here. So I'm going to make this 2.7 inches in width, and then it'll end up being 6.9 inches in height. And I'll copy that with Control C, and I'll paste it with Control V, and I'll bring that over here. And then I'll just wait to see those dotted lines that you see there to let me know that it is even with the top and bottom borders. I'll then Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste it, and then I will make this the width of the remaining space here. And that is how you make your chip bag. And then you can decorate this any way you want to.